So the last time you guys saw me, I was getting death threats and some of the nastiest messages you see on social media. Just because of some things I said. You send cartel music them. I don't they're garbage, they're trash. The way me see them for just keep him in jail. Then it got a whole lot worse.
Hey guys, I really just want to come on this and just tell the whole of us no mother.
It went on for a whole week. Then eventually everybody forgot about it. Alright, so I met this girl on Tinder. You know, we've been talking for like 2 days. You know, it's been going good. I still got it. Oh, Heavenly Father, I have sinned. Listen to me. That's... I'm not saying no. Alright, listen. It's been a while, okay? It's been a while. Alright, so how you on for handle this? Oh. Yeah, there. Okay. Alright. Alright, this it's not look too bad. Yo, wanna nah go guess what I do? Oh, I said it to my pastor. Who that man? Who could have knock on my door on a Sunday? Who knock on my door? Who that? Ah!
Hello.
Hey, little girl.
Hi, Daddy.
You're pregnant or something? Well?
my head, that's how I'd react.
Just joking. Shana is my big sister. She said I have to stay with you.
Why Charnelle love left picnic in my yard, so?
Find some book for the two of them read.
What the man? You ready to comic book?
Look here, I want to tap it nice and I want to read the book them.
Isn't he adorable?
She need to stop this now. Seriously. You want some?
No, thank you.
Okay.
I want a cookie
Where am I forget it from?
from the shop. I want a cookie. I want a cookie.
Stop it nice now, little girl. Yeah, man. This girl is literally a walking contraceptive.
You never stop till you get where you want, though.
Give me one, man.
No!
Give me one.
No!
Give me one.
No!
No, cookie.
Birdie, you earned a bronze medal. Challenge clear. Chip in. Chip in.
Uncle, you're not doing it right.
Eagle, you earned a gold medal. Good birdie. Free double eagle. Free eagle.
Hey, man, you swing and lick that in my head, you know.
Hole in one. Nice approach. Nice approach. Nice birdie.
Hey, man, you swing and lick that in my head, you know.
Nice
Ooh,
hit.
look a bit strong there, man.
Nice on. Nice on. Nice par. Nice par. Nice shot. Nice shot. Nice shot. You earned a silver medal.
You know what? Game time done. Game time done.
No!
I think we should play another game. Can I have a king, please?
Go fish.
Your turn.
Can I have a heart? Or hearts? Aha! Your turn.
Can I have a queen?
Go fish. Can I have a king?
Wait, anybody just asked if you're a king?
Yes. Ready?
We can still beat Picnic. I ask still because Jussie and know that Picnic I get on my last nerves.
Why you drink and smoke so much?
Mind your business, okay?
Okay. Let me just take your phone.
No.
Let me just.
Put it down.
What's your password?
Put on my phone. I said put on my phone.
I'm gonna put on your picture. Everybody die too.
No. You see this adult stuff, okay? All adult. Alright? You're a little girl.
That is pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice and rum.
That's for rum, that's for shit.
Pineapple juice with brandy.
Please.
Go inside.
No.
Go inside. Now. You see more while you have to show them pick me and say, you're the boss. You understand what I say? I'm the adult, you're the child. So listen and ease yourself. Jesus Christ! Zoey! Oh, where the blood? Yo, what not, no man? Charnelle not send no more blood with me, I'm a blood yard. That me I make you know. And you like what I just said? Well, click the subscribe button for more videos, more entertainment, more bashment, you see me? So like, share, do what you want to do with the video. Alright? Peace.